Good morning all. So in today's class we will see two more problems on successive differentiation. First one is change the independent variable to theta in the equation d square y by dx square plus 2x by 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y by 1 plus x square whole square equal to 0 by means of the transformation x equal to tan theta. So here we are given an equation which is in variables x and y. So x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. We need to transform the equation in terms of y and theta. So we are taking x to be a function of theta. So automatically y also will depend on theta. So we need to convert this entire equation in terms of y and theta. So for that we need to find out the derivatives dy by dx in terms of theta and d square y by dx square in terms of theta. So let us look at the solution. So when you take dy by dx, so by the parametric representation, so that will be dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So that is 1 by dx by d theta sec square theta varum dy by d theta. So that is cos square theta dy by d theta. Now we have got the value of dy by dx in terms of theta. Now we need d square y by dx square. So that is d by dx of dy by dx. So by chain rule that is d by d theta of dy by dx into d theta by dx. So you will get d by d theta of dy by dx. So that is d by d theta of cos square theta dy by d theta into d theta by dx is again 1 by sec square theta varum. So that is cos square theta. So this will be cos square theta into so taking the derivative here using product rule, so you will get cos square theta d square y by d theta square minus 2 cos theta sin theta varum into dy by d theta. So that will give us, so that is equal to cos raised to 4 theta d square y by d theta square minus 2 cos cube theta sin theta into dy by d theta varum. So that is the value of d square y by d theta square. So now substituting in the original equation, we will get, so d square y by dx square, sorry, this d square y by dx square, we will get cos raised to 4 theta d square y by d theta square minus 2 cos cube theta sin theta into dy by d theta. That's the value of d square y by dx square plus 2. You need 2x by 1 plus x square. So that is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta into dy by dx is cos square theta into dy by d theta. Plus, we'll get y by 1 plus tan square theta whole square equal to 0. So let us simplify the equation. So you'll get cos raised to 4 theta d square y by d theta square minus 2 cos cube theta sin theta, and here you will get 2 ഒരു sin theta tan theta വരുമ്പം sin theta by cos theta വരും. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ 2 sin theta cos square theta വരും and cos theta വരും. ഇവിടെ 2 sin theta cos theta വരും. ഇനി this is sec square theta, 1 plus tan square is sec square. അപ്പോൾ 2 sin theta cos cube theta വരും dy by d theta plus y by this is sec raised to 4 theta equal to 0. So this two terms will cancel off. Okay. So this is again 1 by sec raised to 4 theta is cos raised to 4 theta. So cos raised to 4 theta will cancel off. So that will give us d square y by d theta square plus y equal to 0. So that is the required equation. Now let us look at the next problem. So if f of x plus y by 2 is equal to f of x plus f of y by 2, and if you have f dash of 0 equal to a and f of 0 equal to b, then find f dash of x where y is independent of x. We need to find f double dash of x. Okay, so you are given the equation f of x plus y by 2 equal to f of x plus f of y by 2, and you are given these two conditions: f dash of 0 is equal to a and f of 0 equal to b, and we are also given that y is independent of x. So y is not a function of x. X and y ഉം independent variables ആണ്. So now let us look at the solution. So we are given that y is independent of x, so therefore y is no more a function of x, so that implies dy by dx will be equal to 0. So now differentiate the given equation with respect to x. So when you take the derivative, you will get f dash of x plus y by 2 into, so differentiate by chain rule, differentiate x plus y by 2 with respect to x. So you will get 1 plus the derivative of y is dy by dx by 2. So that will be equal to f dash of x plus of y the derivative f dash of y into dy by dx by 2. Now dy by dx is 0, so that will give us okay, so 2 will cancel off here, so f dash of x plus y by 2 will be equal to f dash of x. So we will get this equation. Now in this equation, ഇനി നമുക്ക് തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന condition നമുക്ക് f dash of 0 തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. Okay, so let me put x equal to 0. You put x equal to 0 and y equal to x. So that implies, so the equation will become f of x by 2 varum, f dash of x by 2 varum. So f dash of x by 2 will be equal to f dash of 0. Now f dash of 0 is given to be equal to a, so that implies f dash of x by 2 is equal to a. And now if f dash of x by 2 is equal to a, now you integrate this function. So upon integrating f dash of, so ഇവിടുത്തെ വേരിയബിൾ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക്, so if you put u equal to x by 2, our equation will become f dash of u equal to a. So when you integrate, you will get f of u equal to au plus some arbitrary constant c. So ഇവിടെ f of x by 2 നമുക്ക് replace u, so you will get a x by 2 plus c. So that implies f of x is equal to ax plus c, and now you are given f of 0. f of 0 is given to be b. So f of 0 equal to b implies c is equal to b. So therefore f of x will be, so replace c by b, that will be equal to ax plus b. So നമുക്ക് f of x കിട്ടി. ഇനി f of x is ax plus b, so f dash of x will be a, and f double dash of x will be equal to 0. So that is the value of f double dash of x. Next problem is, if y is equal to 1 by x whole power x, then show that y2 of 1 is equal to 0. So you are given y equal to 1 by x whole power x. So taking log on both sides, you will get log y equal to x, log of 1 minus x. So that is log y equal to x into log 1 is 0 minus log x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that gives 1 by y into y dash equal to minus x into 1 by x minus log x varum. So therefore y dash will be equal to, or y dash by y is equal to minus 1 minus log. So for y dash നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നത് minus 1 minus ln x into y varum. Now okay, so y dash will be minus of 1 plus ln x into y. Now let us differentiate this again. So differentiate with respect to x again. So that will give us y double dash. Y double dash will be equal to y dash നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയത് minus of 1 plus ln x into y ആണെങ്കിൽ y double dash will be minus of 1 by x y minus 1 plus ln x y dash. So that implies y double dash is equal to minus 1 by x into, substituting y, that is 1 by x raised to x minus 1 plus ln x into y dash in the value again minus 1 plus ln x into y. And this whole square into 1 by x whole power x. So we need y2 of 1. So y2 of 1 will be, so put x minus 1 plus 1 plus 0 whole square into 1. So that is minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 0. So therefore y2 of 1 will be equal to 0.